So today I did a V-part install and I'm doing a little bit of a leave out, a little low pony fun. Today is the eve of my kids starting back school, so I just wanted to do my hair and make myself look good because as soon as they get back from getting lunch dinner with my husband, it's go time. I gotta wash hair, style hair, pick out cool clothes, backpack organization, clean the house, and make sure like the bathrooms and everything is clean so the first day of school can be perfect. So I wanted to go ahead and have a little me time before I went ahead and started with the family thing, and I'm going to be showing you how I install the wig. This here is like my it is my natural hair. I kind of use a flat iron to kind of lightly like crimp it. Kind of fell a little bit, but you know, it's just giving a natural vibe. I'm gonna put on a little sweater and just walk around the house and just look cute and feel vibe. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. This is a talk through. Go ahead and subscribe. Help me out so much. I'm trying to get to 300,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I was gonna say Instagram, so I'm gonna switch up the content a little bit to help us push forward and give you guys exactly what you guys want to see, a lot more entertaining content on this channel. So be patient with me, be kind to me, but without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. So today I am working with Nadula. You guys know they are one of my favorite companies to work with. They sent me a package via FedEx and I actually received it today. It was kind of heavy, so there's actually a robe in here which I will show you in just a moment. The package is pretty heavy because that wig is nice and boom. This is the package when you open it up. It does have a Nadula Hair dust bag. Definitely gonna come in handy. You have, oh, they just was like, we love her, we're gonna throw some extra in the bag. So they sent me not one, not two, but 3 packs of wig caps, and you know there are 2 in each pack, so I'm pretty set. And when you get wig caps and they're not your complexion, you just buff in the foundation or like your concealer that is your complexion on top, and it'll work out just great. There's also some goodies in here, but I guess I'll show that towards the end of the video. And what do you know, more goodies. So not 3, but here is a 4th pack of wig caps. So they said let's stock the girl up. They also gave me a wig band with their logo on it, but without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into it, right? So this is the beauty here. As I did mention, this is a V-part wig, so look at the luster, look at the beautiful texture. This is my big old head and this is the wig next to it. This is a V-part wig. Why they call it a V-part wig is because the actual outlet or closure. Mommy. Yes, baby. I have relationships. I'm like, so if you didn't know why it's called a V-part wig, is because the where you have your leave out is literally shaped like a V. If you have a U part, this area would be shaped like a U, and typically this is where we traditionally would have lace at. But the good thing about this is that it's gonna fit like once you install it, the vibe that you'll get is like a sew-in with leave out. You guys already know the trend right now is like tape-ins, all of that, micro leaf extensions. And I'm gonna take these off because I know you guys are like, girl, the shingle, the shingle, the shingle. I'm going to section out my leave out, which is going to be shaped like a V. And then I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with the rest of the hair to protect it and put it down. Reduct hair vitamins are coming soon because they're definitely giving me what I need in the root, and I'm happy about it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my edge control. This is from beauty.com, just to go ahead and clean up my edges a little bit, and then we're going to do the install.
Same little nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come on, really don't miss shit though. You gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly. Do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimping penny shit. Popping off a purely penmanship.
Okay, baby hair is not the best, but I'm not really that good at it. I didn't use the black edge control because I don't even know if you're going to be able to see my edges through this. I also have the this here, which is the hair fibers that makes your hair look thicker in the hairline.
Moving now, fuck what you doing tomorrow. If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the nigga they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman. Everybody say they hot shit, some of y'all ain't right though. Everybody got punchlines, but some of y'all ain't right though.
Now that it's on, you guys can see without me attaching it or bonding it down, it naturally sits where it's supposed to go. So naturally, I kind of just can eyeball the V and know that I'm leaving out enough leave out, but you may want to go ahead and put it on and kind of like see like where it lines up. Typically, it'll line up kind of close to like the high point or the arch of my eyebrow. That's how I typically will start the part, and then I just kind of V it to go back. So a lot of the times I will only use one of the clips, again, because I just don't like any manipulation on my hair, but the clips are what is going to let the hair lay. Now, for example, this one feels like I put it in the wrong position, so it's kind of like pulling a piece of hair. So you want to make sure that you install it. It's kind of like bobby pins. We all know that like bobby pins are essential when doing like ponytails and stuff, but if they're put in wrong and they hurt, it's when you walk away, especially if you're getting your hair done professionally, it's still gonna hurt. It's not gonna get better. So it's better to fix it when you first feel it, when you first put it in and it hurts, or it's uncomfortable rather. And so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And again, if anything feels uncomfortable as far as the wig clips go, adjust it now because it's not gonna get better. Now, let's look at the hair. So this is what it looks like on. As you can see, it's nice, it's thick, it's full, and we just want our natural hair to blend as best it can so that we can look like we have a sew-in going, or, you know, again, the tape ends, the clip ends. We want that vibe, and if we decide that the baby hair doesn't match, we also are not completely committed. This is the ends of my hair. You see it already looks semi-relaxed. It's more so the root that needed the heat. As you guys can see, I did one heat pass to the ends, but the top part I did kind of like sit it there a little bit, and it is nice and smooth. My blowout is about 3 days old, so it's not the freshest blowout, but it does go with and blend with the extensions very well. It's just the point of making it the curl pattern, the wave pattern, blend with my hair. And again, I'll do 2 or 3 heat passes, maybe even 4 to the root, because my roots are so unruly. I don't do this very often, so I don't mind it for this, for the sake of this install. I would say if you're gonna do an install like this, don't touch up the hair with heat for at least, I would say, once a week to be safe. So something I don't want to do is I don't really want to curl the hair, because again, my hair is not going to match with the curls. I want to go with the natural texture. So I'm going to take this wax stick from bdagbeauty.com. I'm just going to rub a good amount into my palms, kind of like a pomade, and just put it on there. And as you guys can see, it adds a little bit of shine, and it also adds a little bit of weight to my natural hair to kind of help it to realize that we want it to blend. So I'm going to just take this serum, and you guys know this is the one I always say is my mom's favorite from back in the day. Love this stuff too. And I'm just going to start at the ends, bring it up, and just cancel out any like frizz or flyaway. This is mainly for the extensions to help to define. Okay, so I did a fake crimp. Probably wasn't the best idea, but let's see how that falls to kind of just add some, again, because this is my natural hair right here, and I don't, it's gonna bug me that it doesn't blend, and of course I don't want to take out the crimping iron and start something that's not gonna blend with the rest of the curls. So just bend it one way, couple seconds, opposite way, couple seconds, opposite way. I'm gonna just let that fall and set, and hopefully that'll help the process. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think that made it blend, and of course that was a little bit harsh, especially in the front, so we're gonna let that fall and drop while we do our makeup, and then I'll be back to show you my final result. Okay, so my husband is taking the kids to get some yogurt, but I feel like talk through, this is gonna be a lot to edit because I keep stopping, but I did show you the goodie bag. And they also gave me a beautiful like cream color robe, which I absolutely love. So don't be surprised when you see me with this on. Super nice, and of course it comes with the belt. Is it logo? Yeah. So the logo is up here, and then it also is like on the right side, like at the breast area. Super beautiful and sexy. So if you know me, you know I like to push my hair behind my ears. I love the way this one looks behind my ears, especially because my hairline is filling in. And I did add the hair fibers to make it look a little bit darker. And I love the way this looks like this. Now obviously this looks more like regular, and bringing it forward looks a little bit more done. But it's all about preference. Go ahead and leave me a suggestion in the description box on how to make my V-part and U-part wigs look even better and even more snatched. Thank you, Nadula, for sending me this gorgeous unit. I definitely will be putting it to use for my aesthetic. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.